Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, and we're going to have a look at some numbers and see if we can match our number cards to how old we are. Can you see my number cards? They go all the way from 1 all the way to 10. Now, I wonder how old you are. Some of you may be 2. Some of you may be 3. Some of you may be 4. And some of you may be 5. If you have an older brother or sister, they might be 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10, or a number even bigger than 10. I can show you a number bigger than 10. If I take this 1 away and I put a 5 here, that's how old I am. I am 50, and that's a very big number. But what if you've got a younger brother or sister? Maybe your brother or sister is 3 or 2 or 1. But what if your baby brother or sister has just been born and they haven't had their first birthday yet? That means they are this number, 0. Now let's see if we can have a hunting and finding game where we match objects around the house to each number 1 to 10 so that we can practice our counting. See if you can do it with me. Here is our first number, number 1. Have a look round your house. Make sure you have help with a grown-up and you don't make a mess. But see what one object you can find to go with number 1. Are you ready? Steady, go. What did you find? I found 1 tube of toothpaste. Our next number is number 2. Ready, steady, go and find 2 of the same things. What did you find? In my kitchen, I found 2 forks. The next number is number 3. Which room are you going to look in? Can you find 3 of the same objects? Ready, steady, go. What did you find for number 3? These things don't look exactly the same, but they all brush our hair. I found 3, 1, 2, 3 hairbrushes. What number is going to come after 3? 1, 2, 3. That's right. It's number 4. What can you find to put with this number 4? 4 things. Ready, steady, go. Here are my 4 things. I chose 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges. And the next thing we need now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Let's find the number 5 and go hunting. Look what I found, everybody. The number 5 and 5 Jaffa cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No time to eat them though. I must find the next number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need the 6. Now I had to be very, very careful because I found 6 eggs and I had to carry them very carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's our number 6. I hope you're being careful when you're carrying and finding things too. Now, have you still got some energy for hunting around your house? Because this time we need to find 7 things. This is getting so much harder the higher the numbers go, the bigger the number. Now we're on number 7 and I found in my clothes bag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clothes pegs. Although it's not warm enough to put my washing on the line today. We're nearly there, but the next number we need is 8. Take your time, have a good look and see what you can find in your house to put with number 8. I hope your parents are helping you because it is getting harder. I have found 8 heart shapes. They look a little bit different, but that's only because I made a pretty pattern with them. I have got 8 coasters, which is a type of mat that you put your cup on when you're having a drink. And all I've done is I've just turned them over to make a pattern. Shall we count them together? Let's start down the bottom with this one, and then we'll finish with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're doing so well. Now we need to find 9 objects to go with the number 9. Here's my number 9, but oh, where are my 9 objects? Couldn't I find any? Well, I never give up. I hope you don't give up too, because look, I have found 9 things. They are books. So let's see if we can count out 9 books. So that's the first, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I found 9 books. Now we've only got one more number to go. That's the number, yes, you're right, the number 10. So let's see if we can find 10 objects. Here we go, ready, steady, off you go and hunt. And here we are, the last number, 10, and I found 10 socks. But the bigger the number, the harder it is to make sure we're counting accurately. So let's just check in case Faye's made any mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did it! Did you? I hope you've had lots of fun, but just before we finish, there's something important we need to do. That's right, it's time to tidy up. This means we've got to put everything away. Where did you collect your objects from? Was it a box, a cupboard, a drawer, a shelf? Please put everything away, even if you need a grown-up's help, because you cannot leave your house in a mess. Otherwise, Faye will get into trouble and so will you. These are all the things I have got to put away, and I cannot leave them there like that, can I? Why don't you ask a grown-up to use their phone to time how long it takes you to put everything away neatly and tidily? I wonder how long it's going to take me. I could be a while. So I'll see you very soon. Bye-bye.